Nissan X-Trail installed for Cogoo 10.1 inch. Okay, Android GPS, Android Plus series 10.1 inch, big screen Android player with OEM casing, special OEM casing, good fitting, and OEM canbus socket plug and play. Okay, and this player no DVD version. It's got a 2 USB slot. One USB extension will put in a drawer. Another extension will connect to the original USB slot. Okay, let me show you to connect original 360 camera. Okay, long press for the source button to switch view. Okay, back to normal. Okay, styling control function, canbus setting. So volume, a Bluetooth, this is Bluetooth answer call. Sorry, the left button is Bluetooth, the right button is end call. Okay, so Bluetooth function. Okay, full menu. Okay, aux video input and video output. Easy connect for mirroring function. Selected phone model. Android USB, Android Wi-Fi or iPhone Wi-Fi. Setting. Okay, turn on player Wi-Fi. Turn on your hotspot, phone hotspot, connect for internet. Okay, memory information, 2 GB RAM, flash 16 GB. Android version 7.1, USB pen drive support, USB hard disk support. Okay, change boot logo, XSD touch. Back to home. So nighttime driving, you can turn off the screen, press anyway, turn it on. Android player, you have to clear apps, clear it one by one or clear all. Okay, so this is Nissan X-Trail. Okay, install Cogoo CG-010AD2, 2 GB RAM, 16 GB storage. Okay, with OEM big screen casing and OEM canbus socket plug and play. Support connect original 360 camera. Okay, installed by 1bis, video by Andy. Thank you.